Now, agriculture is fast growing. It is becoming vast. Yes. Sugarcane also is one of those type of farming that you can venture into and still become a millionaire. It's a multi-millionaire kind of farming that many of us are still neglecting today. Yes, many of us are still neglecting sugarcane farming. It's not really, it's a lie. Sugarcane farming is becoming one of the required. In short, it is the number one. Recently I came to find out that sugar, before now I did not know, I had no idea that sugarcane was actually what was used to make sugar. But I came to find out, I saw it in one of the videos, in one of those Chinese videos. I saw where they were using sugarcane. It was being harvested and then put inside a machine, chopped off, grounded, smashed, and then the water put inside somewhere, the juice becomes, and then, man, I don't know why you were still waiting and what you are still waiting and wasting for. I don't know why you are still waiting. So if you have watched this video to this point, what you have to do for me is give this video a like, comment, share, and also subscribe to our channel. Now, what I want you to understand is, in this video, is why the secret to have a wonderful plantation, short sugarcane plantation from one stem like this. This video is going to be elaborating the secret from one stem. You can become a multi-millionaire plantation for you, and it can be running into millions. Yes, it will start running into millions. So let's go straight to the point of the video. I don't want this video to be too long. Now, first of all, let's first and foremost is the fact that how to plant this plant. Or somebody I want to ask, how can this thing be done? You're telling us that. Yes, let me explain. One of these can give you a house, in short, a full plantation of sugarcane. And trust me, I want to try it. Yes, I want to try it. But as I'm trying it, I'm going to be sharing also so that you can also go and try. Understand? So that if you work for me, work for you. Understand? We go just enjoy. So what I want to tell you is as simple as this. What you have to understand is there is a way to plant this thing and get that plantation I am talking about. There's a way to plant this thing. There is a way to plant this and get that plantation I'm talking about. Yes, there's a way to plant it. Now, that is the essence of this video. Now, quickly, looking at this from the video right now, you will see. Let me bring the camera down like this so that you guys will see. Okay. So, you see, this is the first one which I planted. And I didn't know. There was no idea that, okay, it was after this video, you are going to learn something. Just stick to the end of this video. I planted the sugarcane this way, which is very wrong. Planting the sugarcane this way, you see, you peel it to the ground, it stays like this. That is what we are explaining in this video. Now, to get that plantation straight to the point is if you want to plant your sugarcane. Now, let's bring the camera down because we don't actually have any cameraman. Now, let's bring the camera down. So, permit me. Okay. Now, looking at it, you will see here. Now, let me experiment with this. And we'll be coming back to be checking it and we're telling you how this thing can turn to a multi-plantation from just this one stem. Now, before then, let's calculate. Let's count. Count with me. Count with me. How many eyes are you seeing here? We have one. Can you see one? 1, 2. Okay. 3. Okay, I think it's 4. 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's 4. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus this one. Let's say it's 5. Let's just put it 5. This is 5 from this how is it called? This is 5. Sorry for the interruption. Now this is 5 from this. Now if you plant it this way, you will never have it. You will never have that plantation. If you plant it this way, it will never bear. The secret. Now how can you plant this thing so you get the right result? Let's experiment it. Permit me, I don't have a camera person, so camera man or camera woman. So we are going to experiment this. Don't forget, please, if you have watched this video to this point, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also share, and also subscribe. Let's go. Now we're going to experiment with this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to plant them like this. I'm not going to put them inside the soil. It's just going to be like this. Okay, for the sake of this video. Okay, fine, let it be like this for the sake of this video. Now, but let's open this place. Let's just see. Just stick to the very end of this video. You will definitely learn something. So we are going to be putting them like this. Are you see the way I'm putting it? Line it down straight forward the way it is now. And then once this 4 comes out from 1, 2, 3, 4, you already have 4. If 1, 2, 3, 4 start sprouting up, you already have 4 stands in one. You already have 4 stands of like this, 4 in one. While this way does not give you much, this way gives you the secret. If you really want to see the end product of this, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share this video, and also subscribe. And don't forget, make sure you tell somebody else about this video. They need to watch this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. This is a blueprint of how you can have a plantation of sugarcane plantation from just one stem. This is just a small stem. So I'll bring you guys the update so that we will see how many will be coming out. So I will see you guys in my next video. Please share this video, comment, subscribe, and bye.